Mung beans, snail gourd, coconut milk stew. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg recipes and one of the most unique of the beans recipes and one of the most different of the coconut milk recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the snail gourd recipes. Today we are going to make snail gourd, mung beans, coconut milk stew. The ingredients are 250 grams of snail gourd, around 20 shallots, 1 tomato cut into pieces, 2 to 3 red chillies, 25 grams of garlic and 25 grams of ginger, 1 spoon of fennel seeds, and around 100 grams of mung beans soaked in water for around 3 to 4 hours. Heat the pan and pour in 10 ml of oil. Let the oil get heated. Now put in the fennel seeds. Put in the shallots. Put in the ginger and the garlic. chillies. Put in the smoker pieces. Put in the tomato pieces. Mix. Mix thoroughly. Thoroughly mixing the tomato pieces. Mix thoroughly. Put in the mung beans pieces. Mix in the mung beans with the rest of the mixture. Now pour in 250 ml of coconut milk. Mix thoroughly. And let the mixture cook for 25 minutes if in the pressure cooker and 40 minutes if in an open pan. Now the snake gourd, mung beans, coconut milk stew is ready and can be taken off the flame and served. This is the final. mung beans, snake gourd, coconut milk stew, one of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg recipes and one of the most unique of the mung beans recipes and one of the most tastiest of the beans recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the coconut milk recipes and one of the most different of the snake gourd recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.